Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a park reservation in the Disneyland application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the plus sign at the bottom of the page, and then click on the make a park reservation button. So as you can see, there are two options. So you can click on the select ticket button if you want to purchase a ticket and you want to make a park reservation, and you can also click on the make park reservations button if you already purchased the ticket or a magic key pass. So just click on the one that you want to continue with, and as you can see, if you scroll down, you have to select the number of tickets. So just click on the plus sign next to the one that you want to add, and then you have to select the number of days that you want to be there, and then you can see the available days at the calendar. So just click on the dates that you want to go, and then you can choose your tickets. So this is a 4-day ticket with one park per day, and you will be able to see the price and what the price includes. And if you're ready, then just click on the buy tickets button and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.